In recent years, LED grow lights have revolutionized indoor gardening, offering energy-efficient solutions that promote healthy plant growth. The 600W LED grow lights are particularly popular due to their ability to provide ample light while keeping energy consumption manageable. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting, finding the right grow light can significantly impact your plant's health and yield. Number 1. Mars Hydro TS600W LED Grow Light. The Mars Hydro TS600W LED Grow Light is a fantastic option for indoor gardeners seeking a balance of efficiency and performance. Designed for small to medium-sized grow spaces, this light offers full-spectrum coverage, which is crucial for plants at all growth stages. It utilizes advanced SMD LED technology, ensuring a higher light output while maintaining a lower temperature, which helps in prolonging the lifespan of the product. The TS series is particularly known for its energy efficiency, providing a high-power, photosynthetically active radiation output with minimal energy consumption. Its lightweight design allows for easy installation, and the reflective design maximizes light distribution across the growing area. Users will appreciate its quiet operation, as it does not require additional fans, making it ideal for home use. Key features: full spectrum, supports all growth stages from seedling to bloom. High efficiency, consumes only 100W while delivering a comparable output to a 600W HPS system. Heat dissipation, features aluminum cooling heat sinks that maintain low operating temperatures. Light coverage, ideal for a 2 by 2 foot area. Easy setup, plug and play design with no complicated installation required. Durability, long-lasting LEDs with a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Number 2. VIP ARSPECTRA 600W LED Grow Light. The VIP ARSPECTRA 600W LED Grow Light is engineered to promote plant growth efficiently, mimicking natural sunlight. This grow light is perfect for indoor gardens, greenhouses, and hydroponic setups. With a full-spectrum design, it caters to the diverse needs of plants throughout their growth cycles. This model features a mix of red, blue, white, and UV light, providing the optimal spectrum for photosynthesis. One of the standout features of the VIP ARSPECTRA 600W is its adjustable light intensity, which allows users to control the amount of light delivered to plants, making it adaptable for different growth stages. Additionally, it comes with a built-in cooling system that prevents overheating, ensuring a stable operating temperature and extending the life of the LEDs. Key features: full spectrum, designed to support all stages of plant growth. Adjustable light intensity, customized light output based on plant needs. Low energy consumption, consumes only 135W while providing an equivalent output to traditional 600W systems. Cooling system, built-in fans for effective heat dissipation. Versatile application, suitable for various indoor growing environments. Long lifespan, rated for over 100,000 hours of use. Number 3. Flyzen 600W LED Grow Light. Flyzen 600W LED Grow Light is a versatile option for both novices and experienced growers. Known for its high power output, this light is specifically designed to enhance plant growth, offering a full spectrum that includes red, blue, and white light. This blend ensures that your plants receive the appropriate wavelengths needed for photosynthesis and flowering. The Flyzen 600W also incorporates advanced cooling technology, featuring multiple fans and heat sinks to maintain optimal operating temperatures. This is particularly beneficial for users in warmer climates or those with limited ventilation. Its compact design makes it easy to install in any indoor garden setup, and its energy-efficient performance helps reduce electricity bills. Key features: full spectrum, perfect for all growth stages, enhancing photosynthesis. High power output delivers powerful light penetration for improved plant growth. Advanced cooling, equipped with multiple cooling fans for efficient heat management. Energy efficient, consumes about 120 W, providing significant savings on power. Compact design, easy to install and move within any grow space. Long-lasting, LED lifespan exceeding 50,000 hours. Number for Going Top 600W LED Grow Light. The Going Top 600W LED Grow Light stands out for its innovative design and powerful performance. This light is crafted to provide a full spectrum, which is crucial for ensuring robust growth across all stages of your plants. With its energy-efficient technology, the Going Top 600W delivers high light intensity while keeping electricity costs down. What sets this model apart is its smart temperature control system, which not only helps maintain optimal temperatures but also enhances the lifespan of the LEDs. Additionally, its lightweight design allows for easy mounting, making it suitable for a variety of indoor gardening setups, including tents, closets, and hydroponics systems. Key features: full spectrum, suitable for all plant growth stages. Smart temperature control, maintains optimal operating temperatures for longevity. Energy efficient, consumes approximately 110 W for a strong light output. Lightweight design, easy to install and reposition as needed. Versatile use, perfect for hydroponics, indoor gardens, and more. Long lifespan, rated for over 50,000 hours of use. Number 5 King LED 600W LED Grow Light. The King LED 600W LED Grow Light is a powerful solution designed for serious indoor gardeners. With its full spectrum capabilities, it supports optimal growth from seedlings to flowering plants. The King LED 600W integrates high-quality LED chips that ensure high light efficiency and intensity, making it an excellent choice for maximizing yield. This model also features a comprehensive cooling system that includes both a fan and aluminum heat sinks. This ensures that the light operates efficiently without overheating, which can damage sensitive plants. With an easy-to-use design and adjustable light settings, the King LED 600W is suitable for a variety of grow setups, providing flexibility and reliability. Key features: full spectrum, supports all phases of plant growth with optimal light wavelengths. High light efficiency, consumes only 120 W while delivering powerful light output. Cooling system, built-in fans and heat sinks for effective temperature management. Adjustable light settings, customize light intensity based on plant needs. Versatile applications, suitable for hydroponics, indoor gardens, and more. Durable design, long-lasting LEDs with a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Conclusion: investing in a high-quality LED grow light is essential for any indoor gardening endeavor. The Mars Hydro TS600W, VIP ARSPECTRA 600W, Flyzen 600W, Going Top 600W, and King LED 600W are all excellent choices that provide energy efficiency, optimal light spectrums, and durability. These products cater to various needs and setups, ensuring that your plants thrive, regardless of their growth stage. When selecting a grow light, consider your specific growing conditions, plant types, and budget to find the best fit for your indoor gardening project.